My name is Ana Colen. I'm from Spain. I'm senior geologist in Adriatic Metals. As an exploration geologist, I've been living in a lot of countries. I consider part of my job to move from one place to another. So I've been living in Ireland, in Emirates, in Morocco. Felt that I needed to move, so I got this good offer from Adriatic Metals, and I decided to come here. And so far, so good. Very happy.
Strani radnici imaju zaista veliku ulogu jer oni predstavljaju prije svega trećinu našeg osoblja i dolaze iz 10-ak zemalja svijeta i involvirani su u svakom sektoru našeg poslovanja. De facto da nema stranih radnika, njihovih ekspertiza, ne bi ni bilo Adriatic Metalsa.
Hello, I'm James Hicks. I'm a shift supervisor and jumbo operator for Adriatic Metals. The reason why I moved to Bosnia and Herzegovina is because of the opportunity to work with the nationals.
I think we can learn a lot of each other. I bring in here experience to the people, things that maybe don't know. I also learn from them. We learn of each other. I think that I will be very happy to be here 3 years if I have the opportunity. I just started to know this country.
We won't be here forever. We're here to kickstart the economy here and help train and force this mine into for the years to come. The most thing I enjoy most about living here is the kind people.
Zapošljavanje stranih radnika prije svega je bio veliki pravni i administrativni izazov zbog kompleksnih procedura u BiH, ali kada se to sve prođe, naravno oni postanu veliki dio tog kolektiva i svojim radom doprinose svakodnevnom poslu.
Ona zajednica koja ima sreću da na svom lokalitetu ima stranu radnu snagu, to znači da ima industriju, a kad ima industriju onda ide neminovno razvoj i evo samo mogu reći stranoj radnoj snazi dobrodošli u Vareš, dobrodošli na ovo područje, općina Vareš će vam biti na raspolaganju.
Ja radim u Adriatic Metal, ja govorim malo bosanski jezik, ja učim bosanski jezik, hvala puno.